Many people start fitness highly motivated, but most beginners quit within the first few weeks. Not because they are lazy, not because they lack willpower. They quit because they start the wrong way. One of the biggest reasons beginners fail is trying to do too much too fast. They jump into intense workouts. They train every day. They change everything at once. This leads to exhaustion, soreness, burnout, and eventually quitting. The solution is simple. Start small. You don't need long workouts. You don't need perfection. 10 to 20 minutes is enough. Focus on consistency, not intensity. 3 to 4 workouts per week is better than 7 rushed workouts. Choose simple exercises, body weight movements, walking, light strength training. Build a routine that fits your life. Another common mistake is relying only on motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Habits last. Pick a regular time to move each day. Treat it like brushing your teeth. Make it automatic. Another reason beginners struggle is unrealistic expectations. Results take time. You won't transform in a week, or even a month. But small improvements add up. More energy, better sleep, stronger muscles. Progress is happening even when you can't see it yet. Track simple wins. Showed up today. Finished your workout. Drank more water. Those wins matter. Finally, listen to your body. Rest when needed. Pain is not progress. Recovery helps you grow stronger. Fitness is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. If you start small, stay consistent, and build gradually, you will succeed. If you found this helpful, check out our beginner workouts and shorts. Subscribe to SimpleFit Daily for simple fitness tips and workouts you can stick to.